Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Right? We know that whole number starts from 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole numbers. Right? These are the 5 whole numbers. Therefore, the first 5 whole numbers are solution. The first the first 5 whole numbers are 5 whole numbers whole numbers whole numbers numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We have to find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Therefore, mean of first 5 whole numbers 5 whole numbers mean of first 5 whole numbers is equal to sum of the numbers by total number Now if you add the numbers, that is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now how many numbers are there? 5 numbers, therefore divided by 5. If you add all the numbers, that is 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 by 5. Then 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, that comes to 2. Therefore, you can say that the mean of the first 5 whole number is 2. Therefore, you can say that the mean of the first 5 whole numbers first 5 whole numbers is 2. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.